In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot integration with Surveymonkey step by step. This guide will walk you through every step of the process, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools. By connecting HubSpot with Surveymonkey, you can streamline your data collection and customer interaction processes. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to access your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, locate the settings icon, which usually looks like a small gear symbol. Click on it to enter the settings menu. Now, when you're in the settings, glance over to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find a section labeled Integrations. Click on that, and a drop-down will appear. From this list, select Connected Apps. This is where you manage all your existing and potential integrations. At this point, look for an option called Visit App Marketplace. Go ahead and click on this button. The App Marketplace is where you can find a variety of different applications that can be linked with HubSpot. In the search bar of the App Marketplace, type Surveymonkey. You'll see Surveymonkey pop up as an option. Once it shows up in the search results, select it. After selecting Surveymonkey, you'll notice a button that says Connect App. Click this button to initiate the integration process. Doing so will prompt you to log into your Surveymonkey account. Enter your credentials and make sure to authorize HubSpot. This is a crucial step because it gives HubSpot permission to access your Surveymonkey data, ensuring the two platforms can work together smoothly. Once you've successfully logged in and granted the necessary permissions, it's time to select the specific survey data you wish to sync with HubSpot. You might want to sync responses, contact information, or other relevant data. Choose the data that is most beneficial for your needs. After making your selections, it's essential to map your Surveymonkey fields to the corresponding HubSpot contact properties. This process ensures that the data is correctly interpreted and stored in HubSpot. Finally, after you have configured all your settings and are satisfied with your field mappings, you'll see an option to finish setup. Click on this button to complete the integration process. And with that, you have successfully integrated Surveymonkey with HubSpot. By following these steps, you have now linked two robust tools that help you capture data and engage with your audience more effectively. With this integration, you can keep all your survey responses organized and accessible within HubSpot, simplifying your workflow and enhancing your ability to analyze data. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to explore more ways in which HubSpot integrations can benefit your business.